Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sublimating on this crossbody purse that I received from Primetime Sublimation, and it has a detachable flap, so it's Velcro on the front, has a zipper there, and it detaches in the back. So what I did was an easy way to make a template is I have an Epson 7720, and what all you have to do is just lay this on your scanner flat like this, and then scan it in as a JPEG, save it as a JPEG, and then once it pulls up, it will be the same exact size as this. So there you have your template. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my template up in Silhouette Studio. Alright, so I already scanned mine in, and I merged it into my Silhouette program. And this sheet, when it scans it as an 8.5 by 11. So you see, this is the whole sheet. And so this right here is the same exact size as our little flap. I already have my image over here. So what you want to do is line your image up wherever you want to. And if it's, say your image is big, of course, all you have to do is size it down to fit within your space. Okay, so I'm going to position mine maybe right about here. So that gives me still space on the sides and some on the bottom and some on the top. All right, and I already have mine printed out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lint roll, of course, always lint roll first. And then I'm going to take this to my heat press and sublimate it for 400 degrees, 60 seconds. I put a few pieces of tape on my image just to hold it in place. And because of these metal pieces, I'm going to have that hang off of my heat press. And it doesn't feel like there's no plastic in between the black piece and the white piece, so it's okay if you have some of the black on your heat press. Alright, so I got it laid down, and of course I'm using Craft and Bestie's paper, and I have the paper on the top, and I have my butcher paper, and I'm going to press it again at 400 degrees, 60 seconds. 5 seconds left, and we will reveal our image. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can see it. But of course the colors came out vibrant, and that image looks really, really good on it. So now all I have to do, oops. Alright, work with me. All I have to do is now apply my flap back on my bag. Or snap it back on, because it has snaps in the back. That's what you call it. There we go. Bad lighting, but you get the gist of it. So it came out really good. Okay, this is better, much better. So here you go. See the image? It came out really, really nice. But that's pretty much how to make a template for this bag and how it sublimates. Looks good.